Hello friends, if you like this video, please like, comments, subscribe our channel and share this video to your friends.
My English course book. 1.3 Basketful of Moonlight. Author Sunil Sharma. Oh moon, give me moonlight. Basketful or 2 baskets full, with seeds of moonlight, from the city to my village. On the sides of the path, I walked to so many small moons of light. The whole village goes to the city daily to work. It becomes dark on its way back, as my village is quite far. The route is tough and full of snakes and scorpions. Neither bus nor cart plies. When my father returns home, I am asleep, and he goes back early in the morning, while I am sleeping. Oh moon, give me a basketful of moonlight, on loan. I want to light the dark route, so that my father returns early. I too want to hear fairy tales and stories from him. Oh moon, give me a basketful of moonlight. I want to sow seeds of moon on the sides of the path. Sunil Sharma, translated from Dogri.
My English course book, Standard 10, 1.3, Basketful of Moonlight, Appreciation of a Poem. 1.3, Basketful of Moonlight, Sunil Sharma. Question number 3b. Write an appreciation of a poem according to the following points. Title. The title of the poem is Basketful of Moonlight. Author. The author of the poem is Sunil Sharma. Rhyme scheme. This poem has no rhyme scheme. It is a free verse poem. Figure of speech. Figure of speech in the poem are alliteration, snakes and scorpions, basketful or 2 baskets full, antithesis, he want to light the dark route, repetition, small moons of light, tautology, I want to hear fairy tales and stories from. Theme or central idea. The poet is describing the villager's life is full of dangers and child's love for his father. The poet is asking to the moon to give the basketful or 2 basketful of seeds moonlight, because his village at night there is a very darkness in the path.